Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class of social media marketing. In our today's class, we are going to discuss about the introduction to social media. We are also going to discuss about the importance of social media in today's business, why it has gained so much of importance, and why today companies are again using social media to promote their goods and services. And also we are going to study about the benefits of social media. So just now in our last class we have discussed about the digital marketing, and social media marketing is the part of digital marketing. Okay, so now you all should not be in a confusion state or in a confused stage or state that social media is a different. No, social media, yes, certainly it is a different medium to promote your goods and services, but it is a part of digital marketing only. So what is happening in social media? So when I call it as a social media, what you people remember or what you people can answer if I ask about social media, what comes into your mind first? सोशल मीडिया मतलब क्या है? My dear students,
it is the technology, sir.
Okay.
We facilitate the creation and sharing of information, idea, and interest and other forms of expression from virtual communities and networks.
Okay, very good. So any other answers with Mr. Adam Sharif? Do you want to contribute anything, sir?
Of course, not much more. Social media is part of
social media is a computer-based technology.
Okay.
We facilitate the sharing of idea, thought, and information.
Correct. Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir. Adam Sharif, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, of course, he has already mentioned it. Social media, we can say that things which we can share it, like we have family basis, company basis, and different aspects we can share what we have.
Correct.
What we are developed.
Correct.
So, this is what I can say.
This conversion.
Yes, sir. Almost same for me also. It's a platform from where we are connected to the people on social basis, and nowadays we can create a official page also for the same. So.
Okay, Mr. Joseph. Is Mr. Joseph in the class? No. Rakshit. We have Rakshit, another student called Rakshit. Hello,
yes,
Rakshit.
Sir. Hello.
Yeah, Rakshit. So do you know anything about social media? What comes into your mind when I speak about social media?
Sir, connecting to people, as simple as that.
Yes. See here, you should remember one thing, my dear students. The word social media, here it has two different words. The first one is social and the second one is media. What do you mean by social? Yes, my dear students, what do you mean by social? Whether I am audible?
Yes, sir, yes.
Whether my screen is visible?
Yes, it's visible.
So what do you mean by social? Forget about media.
Social is interaction between.
Correct.
Interaction between like yourself, what you are.
Okay.
Like family, like group.
Exactly,
like
correct.
What we are now, 5 of us, we can share what we have.
Correct.
So
right. See, generally, whenever we speak about social, society
or
mingling with people, building the relationship, building the network, correct?
Yes.
So that is the reason why Facebook was being introduced. We all know about Facebook, right? I hope everyone has an account in Facebook.
Yes.
Everyone has an account in LinkedIn, Twitter. So initially, what was the objective of this Facebook was to again maintain the relationship with your loved and dear ones, right? He did not start this platform to sell the goods and services. It was first or initially started to maintain a relationship and pass on the required information to your near and dear ones. But later on, in due process, even this applications were used for the purpose of business. They identified this, yes, this application is being used by crores of people. So why not we use this application to promote our goods and services? Why not we use this for business purpose? So now, can you able to see this picture?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this picture explains you everything about social media, social networking, right? Content, community. Now you all might have been aware about the communities. There are different people who share or who have the same and similar ideas, and they make a community. Have you all come across such kind of people? No? So we have again a media through which we can share our ideas, right? We can meet new people. We can exchange our ideas. We can start doing business with the help of each other. You can purchase the goods and services from any part of the world using these applications. Now I'm not speaking about website. Now I'm not speaking about the business applications. So these are the applications initially which were utilized or which were introduced to maintain this relationship and networking. Okay, so now we will go to social media. Social media marketing is nothing but in short form we call it as SMM. Is the use of social media websites and social networks to market a company's products and services. So now what social media has been used to promote the goods and services, to sell the goods and services to the customers with the help of Facebook, with the help of Google, with the help of WhatsApp, with the help of LinkedIn, with the help of Twitter. So these are called as social media websites. I'm not using the word called website. I'm using the word called social media website. Okay, but this definition is missing. Something is missing in this definition. So let us see in detail. Social media marketing is the process of creating tailored content that is according to the requirements. So that's why, if you remember, the last benefit what we have studied is again nothing but personalization. Do you all remember? You all are there, my dear students? No one is responding. Whether I am audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the last point what we have seen in digital marketing is the personalization. So in social media marketing, according to the customer's need, you can tailor the content message. Okay, for each social media platform to drive engagement and promote your business. So according to the community. So now I'll go back to the picture again. Can you see a word called community here?
Yes.
Yes.
Community is nothing but the group of people staying together, or the people who have same and similar thoughts. Okay.
Yes.
So now I want to promote these goods and services with the help of tailored content, that is personalized content or personalized message through social media website. And social media marketing is all about connecting with your audience. So now, my dear students, I said you earlier, even I'm telling it now, you are not stopping to connect with the audience. You have just changed the medium or the mode. Still you are trying to connect with your audience. Still you are trying to attract your audience. Still you are trying to convince. Still you are trying to sell the goods and services. But Earlier, with the help of websites and applications, we have done it. Now we are doing it through social media. Okay, that is, it's all about connecting with your audience or customers and helping them to understand your brand better. And it is incredibly beneficial to your business growth. So this is again one of the best best mode to sell your goods and services. Today, everyone will be online in WhatsApp. Everyone will be going through Facebook at least once in half an hour, once in 15 minutes. They visit Instagram once in 15 minutes or once in half an hour. They want to see who is visiting their pages, what are the different promotions which are being used, right? So all these things are again enticing. Whom it is enticing? It is enticing the company to come up with a social media marketing. It has attracted the companies to change their strategy and come with social media marketing. So today, if you go to Facebook, you will find so many ads, correct? You all might have seen so many Facebook pages of every company today.
True, sir.
Right? Why they are doing? That is because of customers. So they came to know that yes, no one nowadays there is no customer who there is no person who doesn't have a Facebook or who doesn't have a Facebook, or there is no person who has an account in Instagram. Everyone, you don't believe even a small kid have a Facebook page today, right? So now you can see technology has changed a lot. Okay, so that is speaking from the point of business. And what should you do to make that person like you instantly? Because you are not going to get a second chance. See, my dear students, you all should remember that customer once gone is gone. So you should never miss a customer. So that's why you need to be very much attentive to attract the customer. It takes a lot of time to attract a single customer, but it takes only few seconds to lose him. So you should never give a chance to lose your customers. So that is the reason today a concept has come into picture called holistic marketing. I don't know how many of them are aware about this holistic marketing concept. It says that do everything possible. So now when I speak about do everything possible, everything has come into picture. Do everything possible to attract the customers. Do everything possible to sell the goods and services. Okay, so do everything possible. So that is the reason today. Now if you ask me, sir, earlier we have seen digital marketing, now we have seen the social media marketing. They have websites, they have applications, they have even pages in social media. What is the need? Because the concept says the answer. Holistic concept says that do everything possible to attract your customer. Whether you all are able to understand what I am teaching? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's customers or today's consumers rush to browse social media. For what? Whenever they want to know more about an organization or more about a product, because that is where they will find others talking about the business. So now they want to go to the social media to find more information or to collect more information about your business. And what if you don't have a social media presence? Being a company, if you don't have a presence, that is social media presence, that means you are missing a great opportunity to impress the customers. So now what you are supposed to do? Do everything possible. Take a look at the stats. Okay, so this was again our agency, what we call it as a marketing research agency called Oberlo. So they have conducted research in the year 2020, that is recently last year. So they found that 71% of consumers who have a paid positive experience with the brand and social media are likely to recommend the brand to their friends and family. So whenever it is speaking about referring, so even this people or even this customers, so generally it happens even in the traditional marketing also. Whenever you go, we'll take a simple example. Whenever you go to a hotel, you have a lunch or dinner. If you find the hotel is really economic, if you find the ambience of the hotel is really good, if you find that the taste of the food is really good, the first thing what I do is, what you and me, we all do is, we refer it to our friends and family members, right? Correct?
True.
So even it is happening with the help of social media also. Okay, and 90.4 of the millennials and 77.5 of Generation X and 48.2 of baby boomers are active social media users. So that's what I said to you earlier, not only about the adults, not only about the young children, but even the kids have the social media account, and Facebook alone has 2.7 billion monthly active users. So now you can assume to what extent Facebook is providing the services to many organizations. 2.7 billion users. That is not a small number. So many people are viewing Facebook every day. Now, being a customer, being a company, why not I should promote my goods and services through Facebook? Then they came to know that yes, these are the people who are really interested in Facebook, and these are the customers. These many are the customers. So let us try to target these people. We call them as segment. Okay. So let us try to concentrate on this segment who are again social media users. Now I have targeted every customer. So now I have segmented. So as we all know that not all products are meant for everyone. There are separate products for kids. There are separate products for gents. There are separate products for ladies. Correct? And the message is sent to only those people for whom the product is being manufactured or for whose sake the product is being sold. So now we target only those group of people. And next what we do is segmentation. So these are the segment, or these are the people who are called as social media users. So why not we target them again under these social media? Again, they are going to subdivide. So subsegmentation कहते हैं उसको. We call it as subsegmentation. Okay. So social media is again playing a very vital role in attracting. First one. Next one is selling. And next one is also retaining. My dear students, in marketing, there are few concepts which are very important. First, you need to attract the customers. Next one is sell the goods and services, maintain them, retain them, and finally convert them into loyal customers. Loyal customers is nothing but simple. You do anything. Any product may come into market, but I stick on to a specific brand. I don't shift down. So you need to create that loyalty or loyalness among the customers. Okay, you all are there? Social media is an ideal place for brands looking to gain insights into their audience interests and tastes. Now, you all might have seen your Google will show you few things. Okay, according to your searches and according to your interests. Once you type something about any product, once or twice, if you try to search it in Google, the next moment, all these products will be seen in Facebook, what you have searched for. The next moment, all these companies' advertisement will be on your Facebook page, will be on your Google page, because there is an artificial intelligence which tries to understand the consumer behavior, what you are searching for, and Your suggestions will be totally based upon your search. Have you come across any such kind of things till now? Everyone might have seen, correct? No? If not, you try to check once. Okay? You try to search for few products in Amazon or in Amazon Prime or in Google. The next thing what happens is all these advertisements will be displayed in Facebook and other social media what you use. Because my dear students, if you ask me how it is, your Gmail ID is linked with all these applications, correct?
Yes, sir.
With Google and the same Gmail ID, I'm using it for Facebook.
Yes, sir.
So this is how the artificial intelligence works in business. Okay. And whether you want to launch a new product or a business, social media is perfectly launched to create a buzz around your initiatives. So again, social media is best to launch any new product or services. As we move further into future of e-commerce, it is clear that the social media marketing isn't just an option. It is not an option. It is the only option available to it. It is the only way. Okay. In an increasingly competitive environment, you find or your business cannot afford to miss out on social media because there are a number of customers who visit the social media pages to understand and to gain more information and collect more information and knowledge about your business and products. And it is especially competitive in the social media influencer space where there are thousands of new influencers starting a brand every day. So now I don't know how many of them are aware about this concept called influencer